Hello everyone, how are you today? Right now I have Honor at X, so we see. Here is inside the box. On the front, screen with 6.5-inch notch, 16 megapixel front camera, and notification LED light. On the bottom, speaker, charging port, mic, and jack audio. On the left, dual SIM card slot and micro SD slot. On the right, volume and power button. On the back, dual camera, 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, flash, fingerprint sensor, and Honor logo. X use EMUI 8.2 and chipset Kirin 710. Let's see camera modes. Night mode, Pro, light painting, and more modes. Next, Mr. Jack, CMO of Honor Indonesia, will tell about Honor X.
Hi, Honor fans. I'm here with the Honor Zone of Roxy. Check this out. The whole design. Look at the back cover and also the front biggest screen of 6.5 inch. At the same time, check this the big deal. Come on. You see, the great 6.5 inch the full view display and also 20 mega AI new camera and a super night shooting and also the Kirin 710 and also 128 GB and take a look at the long-lasting battery 3750 mAh. Oh my god, what you can expect more? Let me tell. See, this is mobile license. So yeah, so anyone can join us on the offline shop. You can get a free ticket and a free skin mobile license. At the same time, you can hold it this amazing book. Come on, TikTok, time right now is TikTok. Come, join us. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.